1. English is a global language. English is the most commonly spoken language in the world. 1 out of 5 people can speak or at least understand English. 2. Studying English can help you get a better job in a multinational company within your home country or finding work abroad. 3. Learning English can help you meet new people. English is the official language of 53 countries. Studying English can help you have a conversation with people from all over the world. 4. Many scientific papers are written in English in the last century. Having a knowledge of English is incredibly important to those working in the scientific field. 5. English is the language of the media industry. Hollywood and global media, an enormous amount of films, TV shows, and popular songs are written in English. If you speak English, you won't need to rely on translations and subtitles. 6. English is the language of the Internet. English is a particularly important language online, with more than half the content on the Internet written in English. 7. Traveling is a lot easier with a good knowledge of English. You can speak English in airport, hotel with anyone. It will make your trip easier. 8. English is one of the most important languages for business. English is incredibly important in the business world. 9. With English, you can study all over the world. There are thousands of schools and universities around the world that offer programs in English. If you speak good academic English, there are lots of opportunities for you. 10. English gives you access to multiple cultures. Good knowledge of English will allow you to access films, music, and literature from hundreds of countries around the globe.
If you find our videos useful, please subscribe now. Like our videos and share them with your friends and families.